Hello everyone, each recommendation you're going to hear in this video comes from specialized technicians at this highly experienced appliance repair workshop. So let's work through this issue together. With all these years of experience, I can tell you that the U5 error in LG washing machines is one of those that almost always appears during the spin cycle, right when the machine needs the most stability. Many customers arrive saying the washer tries to spin but it stops and shows U5, and right from the start we know the system is detecting a drum imbalance issue. In the workshop we explained that this code appears when the washer cannot stabilize the load and prefers to stop before causing internal damage. Continuing with what we see day to day, some customers say the clothes all bunch up on one side and that's when the error appears. In these cases, the first thing we check is exactly that, the load distribution inside the drum, because when garments cluster together, the movement becomes uneven. We technicians usually say, the washer doesn't stop because it's broken, but because it senses the drum is unbalanced. It's an automatic protection system designed to prevent strong vibrations. As we go deeper into the diagnosis, we also find customers saying, even after rearranging the clothes, the error still shows up. At this point, we start inspecting the suspension system or shock absorbers, because when these components wear out, they can no longer stabilize the drum during spinning. In the workshop, we explain that these dampers absorb all internal movement, and if they lose strength, the washer interprets even normal vibration as a serious imbalance. In older LG models, this is quite common with extended use. On the other hand, there are situations where customers mention the washer works fine until it reaches the spin cycle and then U5 appears. In these cases, we check the balance sensor or load detection system because it is responsible for analyzing how the drum is moving. A technician in the workshop explains it like this. The washer doesn't see the clothes but it feels the movement. If the pattern isn't stable, it stops. If this sensor starts failing, it can trigger errors even when the load is perfectly balanced. Continuing with what we see in the workshop, some customers say, my washer is new and already giving me this error. Here we check something very important, the leveling of the unit, because if the washer is not properly placed on the floor, the drum operates unevenly from the start. We explained that even a slight tilt can generate enough vibration to trigger U5, especially during high-speed spins. Finally, we also see cases where the error appears with very small loads. Customers say, I put in just a little laundry and it still shows the error. In these situations, the issue is not the amount of clothes, but how they distribute inside the drum during spinning. In the workshop, we always say that with small loads, it's easier for clothes to bunch up on one side, creating imbalance and activating the washer's protection system.